Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CRKT Swindle up for a quick review. This is a pretty interesting knife. It's a swayback design made by Ken Onion, as you can see right over here. This is a pretty cool knife made in China. It's very inexpensive. It's around $50. It's a frame lock with a stainless steel frame, and overall has like a closed size of 4.2 inches, and overall it's pretty smooth. It has a pretty smooth finish with this kind of like sandblasted scales. The overall length is 7.5 inches when open, and it has this pretty cool Warncliffe blade, which is 3.25 inches long. The finish of the blade is satin, and it has a pretty nice hollow grind. The sound that it makes is like this. So it's very, very quiet when you open and almost silent when you close it. This is when you open, and this is when you close it. So very, very subtle, discreet. It's like a gentleman's knife, very slim, and it has a weight of 3.3 ounces, so not super light because of the stainless steel scales. But what's interesting and innovative, it's the pocket clip, because you see it's on to the side, not on the scale. So it's anchored via a spring with to this backspacer over here. So it's a neat design. It's it has a spring tension, so this means you need to pull it out and then slide it in your pocket, and then it's gonna stick right over there. You can just pull it off, put it out like just regularly, or you can just with your fingertips just slide this and pull the knives out. So very interesting design, quite original. The grip is a little bit on the sleepy side because it's like super slick, and there's just only a little bit of jimping going on over here. Tiny bit of hot spot over here because there's no inner chamfering, but overall the action is quite smooth. It's running on IKBS, so it's bearings, and the speed is okay. I mean, it's not the fastest flipper of them all, but it has a pretty decent action. The detent is a little bit on the light side, but overall, it's a pretty nice gentleman's folder. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this quick review, please consider to check the full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.